If you've ever wanted to sell your hand lettering as an SVG, I'm going to show you how you can convert it from Procreate in a free way. So we're going to share this as a JPEG. We're going to export it just to our camera roll. We're just going to save the image. Then I'm going to pop over to Safari and go to the website convertio.co. From there, I'm going to click Choose Files from the photo library, and I'm going to choose the file that I just saved to my camera roll. Now we're going to choose to convert that JPEG to a vector, then click SVG. Now we click Convert and wait on the magic to happen. In case you didn't know, SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphic, and these are using Cricut machines. Now as soon as that conversion is done, you'll see this blue box that says Download pop up. You're going to click it. Then my iPad has another prompt for download, and you'll see it downloading up here at the top. I'll grab it. And now I'm going to do a quality check on this SVG conversion. So I am checking for clean lines and making sure that it's not jagged or anything like that, because that will make sure that it goes well whenever I put it into a Cricut machine and that the cuts are really clean and crisp. Once I determine that it looks really good, I will save it to Dropbox by clicking this little up arrow at the top. And then just scroll down to save to Dropbox. I have mine already connected. And then I'm going to change the name because it just makes this really junky name from Convertio. I don't know why. So I'm changing it to the wording that is in the design. And then I'm just going to save it to my Digital Dust file. And now it's ready for me to upload to my Digital Dust subscription, or I can go ahead and create an Etsy listing for it. So I hope that you like this tutorial, and if you want more, let me know.